how-tos.
All right, in this video, guys, we're gonna go over a form of defense, which is the roll. Biggest thing is with the rolling, all right, you wanna keep your head up the entire time. A lot of times you see guys, they're rolling, their head goes down. Keep your eyes on your target the entire time. Right now, in our boxing stance here, all right, when I roll, all right, my base is the same. So I'm keeping my weight still on my back leg. Roll left, then we roll right. So essentially, you're moving your torso, still keeping that weight on that back leg. All right, here, roll, roll.